fresh off work yet again. As a lot of you may know, I have recently started taking this class from Taylor Crown, CC University, to pretty much perfect, y'all, my wig making. Oh my God, I got food on my damn. Oh my God, whatever. It's the life. I'm tired. And I'm trying to make a video. But I have been taking a class to perfect my wig making skills and to learn how to do it on the sewing machine. So I basically just went and recorded some of the stuff that I do. Y'all don't talk about me in these videos because my hair under here, my real hair, is a tore down ass mess. I don't know how to braid. The braid's been up 2 weeks or so. My edges messed up, but this wig is life. I love it. Fits perfect. But basically in the class, the things that I had to learn was how to like block my measurements and stuff. Cause like basic wig making, you know, everybody know that. But this sewing machine, y'all, I had to sit down and get myself together and my life together before, you know, I got on this sewing machine, because it has been kicking my butt. I have been way past my bedtime trying to you know, get it together. Y'all, I'm tired. Excuse me and forgive me, but like I said, this is me in the raw, in the flesh, in the this is me. Blemished face, food on my work uniform. Good thing I'm off tomorrow. I don't have to wear it no more. It's going in the dirty clothes. Yeah, so just, you know, watch my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Send some new subscribers so we can get this channel on the road, y'all. So, y'all, when I start, I'm basically just measuring my head and doing my measurements, the circumference, the front to nape, the temple to temple, and the nape area. Sorry I couldn't get it right. And like I said, y'all, don't talk about my hair. Don't talk about how I look on my spare time, my wig making time, my time when I'm just in my little element. My hair ain't been brushed or combed. I don't know how many days, y'all. But don't talk about me. But yeah, basically that's just what I'm doing right here. If I could stay in the camera. Y'all, I'm still getting used to this. This that napping natural. I know y'all see it. But yeah, that's how, you know, you do your measurements or whatever like that. So right here, what I'm about to start doing, okay, I had to turn my light on. But what I'm about to start doing is the same measurements that I just got from when measuring my head, which I noticed I did my nape area like too far up, but my nape is 5 inches. I had already measured before prior to this video. But yeah, the nape's supposed to be the bottom of your neck. I don't know what I was doing, but yeah, the bottom part of your neck. So I'm just going to take my wig cap and, you know, begin to place it on the canvas head. And the same measurements that I just got from measuring my head, I'm going to block those on the canvas head and take T-pins and place them, you know, where my measurements go. That's pretty much all you do here in this step. Ooh, my little hair. Look a mess. But yeah, basically that's all you do in this step. Just blocking it off all the way back over and pinning your cap down wherever your measurements fall at. Now, at this point, I realized, like, I got a whole wig I can put on that I took off for this video that I need to put back on so I look like something. And y'all, this was the first wig I ever made. The very first wig. So, like I said, let's pay attention to these very first wigs so that we can see the progress from here on out. Which y'all saw at the beginning of the video. The progress, you know, is moving along very smoothly. And we're, you know, slowly progressing. In a good way, though, like I said. But, yeah, I hate to put that wig on. So here is when I just drew my guidelines or whatever on my wig so that I can start sewing. And when I first started doing this sewing thing with this sewing machine, oh my God, it was a struggle trying to sew that hair together. Right here, I'm just double wefting or whatever, so that I can have thicker units. And, you know, because some clients want 4 or 5 bundles in one wig. So this double wefting just ensures that all of their hair is able to fit into their wigs. And this was so hard to me, but by his glory, I did it this night. I really sat down and took my time, and I did it on the first go round. And this is just my end result of my tracks double wefting on the machine. And this is my first row. And this the finished product before I put the closure on. And my wig turned out lovely, y'all. I went in and crinkled her, or whatever you want to call it. And I'm proud of myself.